Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
It's the perfect time to invest in the tourism capital of Jamaica. It is your chance to own a piece of Montego Bay. This investment property sits on top of a hill and offers the most exquisite views of the Barnett River Valley. Nestled in the well-developed upscale community of Westgate Hills, it is already strategically divided into a 2-bed, 2-bath upstairs and a 1-bed, 1-bath downstairs, which makes it the perfect income earner. The land area of this house is 15,000 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $325,000 or Jamaican $50 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.